Let me show you how I make money on the internet. In fact, one of the ways that I used to make almost 1,000 Ghana cedis every week or every 2 weeks on the internet. This is the Julius Hub. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You like this video, you click on the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get it. You see, there are many ways in getting money on the internet. One of it is through investment website. One of those ways is through investment website, where you get to invest and you make returns. But there are so many secrets to this investment website that people don't know. Let me show you one of the secrets. One of the secrets is you have to invest in their 100 cedis plans. Right after that, they invest in their VIP plans, which gives you 1 day. You see, when you invest in the 1 day plans, you invest today, you cash out tomorrow. You invest today, you cash out tomorrow. That is one of the secrets that people don't know. Or you have to refer friends in order to make more money. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to refer friends and how to go about it and how to hack their system in order to make more money from them than they think. Again, this is the Julius Hub. Let's go to my phone for me to teach you how to go about all this.